Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing my empties review, and I have this huge bin full of empties. I know it'll take a long time. I don't want to bore you guys, so I'll quickly start this video and quickly get done with all the reviews so that you know what I feel about each of these products I have used up completely. So guys, first thing I'll be talking about is this body wash, and it's from Dove. It's their deep moisture one, and the good thing about this body wash is anybody can use it, like whether it's boy or girl. So me and my husband share this body wash, and it's really moisturizing. I mean, it's really you can feel the moisture on your body after you take bath with this one. So it's no fuss body wash. If you don't know what to get this one. You'll never be disappointed with this body wash. The other thing I'll be showing you is this body oil. I keep on getting this body oil again and again. It's really good, and you can apply this body oil on your dry skin or on your wet skin. So I do it both ways, and it's easily available at I think I got it from Ulta. Yeah, so yeah, that's how it looks like. And excuse all the mess. I mean, this is constantly sitting in my shower, so things are getting dirty there. So yeah, so this is the body oil I use all the time to add moisture to my skin, and I'm really happy with it. The other thing I want to talk about are these makeup wipes, and I usually get it from Costco or Sam's Club, wherever I'm going, and you get it in a pack of 4 or 5 there, and they are really good. They take off all your makeup in a single wipe. I never had complaints with this, and my skin is like good. It doesn't break out if I use this, so yeah, I love this. Then I got these face washes. They are same. They are like Bior's charcoal face wash, and I think I got 2 in a pack, and I use them. I really like them. It's good face wash because I wanted to take break from my Clean and Clear, so I use this. They didn't improve my skin dramatically, but yeah, I like you can try these out. They are not bad. Then this is hair serum, which I got from like I think I got it at Sam's Club when I purchased 2 shampoo and a conditioner pack from there. So I mean I like to use it earlier, but now I like to use almond oil on my hair, so I'm loving that more than this. So this was sitting there. I thought I should get rid of it because it's getting yellowish and I think it has expired, so I'm getting rid of it. It's good, but I'm not using it anymore. The next thing I got is this retinol cream from Sam's Club. It has this pump. It's really convenient, and it is my nighttime cream. Now I'm using something else, but I have used up this entire container, and I really used to love it. It has very minimal amount of retinol or retina A, whatever it is. It's really good for your skin. It's cheap and it works. So I used it. I really loved it. I love how convenient this is. So yeah, that's that. The next thing is this sunscreen, and I really love this sunscreen. This sunscreen is so much better than every other sunscreen available at drugstore. You can do makeup on top of it, and if you're applying this, it gives you greater amount of protection than any other sunscreen. So this is by far best sunscreen I have used at drugstore. The other thing is this face pack, and I keep on talking about this. I keep on getting it from Indian store. That's where you can get it, and it's like purifying neem pack. I use it as a spot treatment on my acne, and I use it as face mask. So I really love it. I have one more sitting in my closet, so you'll keep seeing more of these in my videos. So I really love it. So the next thing I'll be talking about is this hair mask from Carol's Daughter. It's almond milk ultra nourishing hair mask. So it works really well for my curly hair, and it made them really soft and shiny, and this smells amazing. It smells of almonds. So I really love this. For now I'm using something else for my hair, but soon I'll be totally going back to this, and I have a full review on this. If you want to check it out, I'll link that in the description box. The next thing I'm talking about is this sunscreen, and I really love it for my body, and I really like the convenience of having this in the spray bottle, and it works really well if you are swimming, you are on beach or doing any water related activity in sun. It protects your skin. And the bad thing about this is never use it on your face. Your eyes will burn really bad. It's just for your body. So it's written there, it's water plus sun protection, and it's really good for beach outings or like outings in general. It really protects well. So yeah, that's that. So the other thing is this. It's Neutrogena's toner, and honestly, I liked it when I started using it, but it made my skin really dry, and then I have to stop using it. So this thing is good, but don't overuse it because it'll make your skin completely dry and crusty. So yeah, that was something I didn't like about it. Now I have been using something else. I'll be talking about it soon. I really love it, but this thing makes your skin really dry. So the other thing I used up is this body lotion. So it's very rich. It's like really rich. If you want like really moisturized skin, you are suffering from dryness or anything, use this thing. It's like really cheap. I think it was for $10 at Walmart, and it comes with a pump, and I really like it. I got one more and it's sitting in my closet. I'm using it daily. I like it too. I mean, you won't be regretting your purchase if you buy this. I mean, it's really suited for dry skin people. It's very moisturizing. Then guys, I used this Clean and Clear face wash. I really love Clean and Clear face washes because I think they clean really well and they take out all the impurities. So I used it. I'm using the other one now, and I really love this. So guys, this is body gel or shower gel, and I got it from Body Shop. Basically somebody gifted this to me when I visited India last year, so I used it up, and I really love the fragrance on it, and it gives you really clean feel after you wash it off. So I really like it. And this was matching body mist with that shower gel. I really love the fragrance on it as well. With the shower gel and the mist, the fragrance was lasting throughout my entire day, and I really used to love it because it was like really light and refreshing. So yeah, that's that. It's again from Body Shop, and I think I don't know the fragrance name. It's nowhere over here. So yeah, it's like this. The other thing I have is this sample. I don't know where I got it from, but I used it. It's basically wet moisturizer. When your skin is wet after taking shower, you have to apply it, and then you have to just dry your skin using your towel or something. And this worked really well, although it wasn't able to hold the moisture for long in my skin as my oils or other body creams, but it was good and convenient, and I really like the idea of applying your moisturizer while in shower because it saves a lot of time. So I like it. It's from the brand called Curel, and it's called Hydra Therapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I think you can get it at Walmart. So this is, I think, my second sample. It's called Eva NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer with argan oil, sunflower seed oil for all hair types. So that's how it looks like. I think I have used one before, and this was my second sample. I loved it a lot, and finally I was able to get it at Costco, and I got like 2 big bottles in a single pack for $10, which is like a steal. And you can use it before you heat style your hair or just when you are air drying. Today I have it in my hair. After using this product, if you touch your hair, they feel really soft. So I really like that about it, and I have the full bottle of this sitting in my closet. I'm using it, I'm loving it. If you want to get it, I think you can get it at Ulta. So it's amazing, try it. And these days I'm also seeing it at Costco. So if you want to grab those, you can get it for $10 for 2 bottles. So it's a steal there. So yeah. So guys, next thing I'll be talking about is this Sunkist Shea Butter Lip Balm, and that's how it looks like. I got it from Publix. It's in peppermint flavor, and it stings your lips and make them like more plumpier. I really love it and it's really good. I might get it again. It's amazing, like you have to try it. It's really good for chapped lips. So guys, the next thing I finished up is this Buxom lip gloss, and these are lip plumping lip glosses. I think I had one more which is like more pink. This is more neutral. I really love these and I'm planning on getting these in the holiday sets this time because these sell out really quickly and these are amazing for day-to-day wear. These has just perfect amount of glossiness and lip plumping activity going on. It's amazing. You have to try it to know about it. I mean, I have been using these non-stop ever since I pulled them out of my makeup bag. So I mean, yeah, these are amazing. You'll like, you know, I have heard so many good things about these. These are amazing. I don't know where that second one is, but yeah, I used it completely. The other thing I used up completely is this hand cream. Again, it's from that same Body Shop gift set and it's called Vanilla Chai. And that's how it looks like, and fragrance on this was really good and it was moisturizing and everything, and that's how it looks like. The other thing I used up completely is like Wonder Brow. I don't know, I don't see any product left in it, and every time I pull out the brush I don't get anything. So yeah, I think this is time to throw this thing. I have a complete review on this. This is amazing, amazing. I mean, this makes your brow look so natural in so much less effort. It's totally worth the price you pay for it, and I think now you can get it at CVS. Yeah. So the next thing I used up is this Olay cream. It's called Micro Sculpting Cream. And honestly, I don't have any views on this. I was just using it as a regular moisturizer. It wasn't making my skin overly oily or anything. It was doing good for me, but I didn't see any difference in my skin after using this. So I think it was okay. I got this in like pack of 2 for like $25 or $30. I don't remember. I got it from Costco, I think, and you can find them on like Costco or Sam's Club. So it's basically bang for your buck. It's a good thing to get it from there because you get more product for a lot less money. And the next thing I used up is this. It's my Elizabeth & James Nirvana perfume. And it's the white one. As you can see, I really loved the fragrance on this and I used it up completely because it was on verge of expiring. So I thought I should use all my perfumes before they expire because it's no point hoarding everything and like keep it sitting in my closet and not using it. So I decided to use it completely, and yeah, I did it, and I have a couple other perfume to finish now. So that's how I plan going forward. I want to use my perfumes and then move on to the new one so that none of them gets expired. So yeah, that was what I did there. So yeah, I completely used up my Nirvana perfume. I really love the fragrance on this. Lastly, I used up this Estee Lauder serum. It's Perfectionist Pro. It was released, I think, early this year. And I have a complete review on this serum. If you want to watch that, I used it. I'm not gonna repurchase it. Yeah. You can watch that video to know my full views. And the good thing about this was it comes in a pump packaging and it's so much easier to take out the product. I really loved it. I enjoyed it. But with my expensive serums, the thing is I tried different ones to see which one works for my skin really well, and I keep on switching them. Yeah, that's my thing which I do. And I'm sorry for all the shadows on my skin. I have my window open for perfect lighting in this video, but I think sun is coming down, it's facing me and it's giving me all these weird shadows. I'm sorry about it, but I'm done with my video now. And if you guys have any comments or questions regarding any specific product, you can let me know in the comment box below and I'll be happy to answer everything. So that was all for this video, guys. I'll catch you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.